I'm Ben, the science teacher, and I'm here to talk to you about trees, plants, and ancient artifacts. This is the mighty ash tree. You can tell by the smooth bark and the pointy leaves. Crikey, this is a hackberry. You can tell by the serrated leaves and the smooth, dark bark. The majestic white pine, identified by its 5 needles and smooth white bark. White pines have needles with 5 needles. W, H, I, T, E. These are red pines. Red pines are known for their reddish, burly bark and their 2 needles. You can remember a red pine by R, E. Dang it, where did the third one go? This is a cedar, and growing up out of the ground is a vine circling around itself up into the cedar. These cedars in the driftless region on the edge of this bluff are hanging on for dear life. Alright, I've just discovered ancient writings. Come closer, we're going to check it out. Come closer. Ancient man, carved paintings all over these walls. That's not the only reason I'm here. In these walls is the only place you can find homes. I need these every day just to get by. If you look close at a baby cedar tree, sometimes you can find frosted mini donuts. I need these just to get by. I need this every day just to get by. Ancient writings have been painted in blood on this aspen tree. Crikey, I hate mud. Oh, crikey. Oh, alligator. Thanks for watching. And remember, throw a little sweet and sour chicken on the barbie. Thanks to my little buddy who helped me record it. I'm gonna get some bag of donuts.
Okay.
Need gummy worms?
Very good. Got it.
Yep. Oh, we need a drink.
Oh, okay. I got it.
Here you go. Down there. The orange one. Alright, now I got everything. I need this just to get by. What are these trees called again?
Cedar?
Hi, I'm Ben, the science teacher, and I'm here to talk to you about trees, plants, and dead animals. Ooh, I hate mud. Ooh, I hate mud. Oh, sorry, I didn't do an Australian accent. Oh, I hate mud. It reminds me of alligators and crocodiles. Ah, ah, ah. Legend has it that when a cedar grows next to an aspen, it will give rise to the one who will bring balance to nature.